Understanding National Unity, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase in the English language, national unity. This term is not just about vocabulary. It's about culture, history, and society. Let's dive in and understand what national unity truly means and why it's significant. National unity refers to a state where a nation's residents, despite having diverse backgrounds, beliefs, and cultures, come together as one. It's the harmonious relationship among the people of a nation, united by common goals, values, and patriotism. This unity is crucial for the nation's stability and progress. National unity plays a key role in a country's development. It encourages cooperation, reduces conflicts, and promotes a sense of belonging among citizens. Strong national unity leads to social harmony, effective governance, and overall prosperity. It's the backbone of a peaceful and progressive society. Throughout history, many nations have shown remarkable examples of national unity. For instance, during times of war or national crisis, citizens often unite, setting aside differences to overcome challenges. These moments demonstrate how powerful and transformative national unity can be. Despite its importance, achieving national unity is not always easy. Differences in ethnicity, religion, and political beliefs can challenge unity. Overcoming these challenges involves respect, understanding, and open communication among all groups within a nation. Fostering national unity requires effort from both the government and the citizens. It involves promoting inclusive policies, celebrating diversity, and encouraging dialogue among different groups. Education plays a crucial role in teaching the value of unity in diversity. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of national unity and its significance. Remember, a united nation is stronger and can achieve great things. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you in future videos.